Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone has Siri enabled and Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth turned on. Once done, power the Haval H6 to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Next, choose wired or wireless. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the USB port labeled with a phone icon, or start the wireless pairing sequence in the car settings. Make sure the phone is unlocked and watch for the CarPlay prompt. Accept it to start the connection process. Once CarPlay appears, tap Accept on your phone and allow access while locked so voice works without unlocking. Then, on the H6 touchscreen, navigate to Settings, Connectivity, and Apple CarPlay to add or confirm the device. If wireless, follow the on-screen Bluetooth pairing code. Make sure Siri is active. CarPlay relies on it for messages and navigation. Finally, customize the home screen order on your iPhone under Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Car, play right arrow Haval H6. Now use CarPlay. Say Hey Siri or press the voice button to navigate, play music, or send messages hands-free. Touch the screen for maps and audio controls, and use steering wheel buttons for volume or track changes. When finished, unplug a cable or choose Disconnect in the Infotainment menu. CarPlay should reconnect automatically on next drive. If it fails, try a different certified cable, restart your phone and the H6 unit, and ensure CarPlay is allowed in iPhone settings. That single reboot fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.